Python Academy. Welcome in Python Academy. In previous video or in one Python program, I have not discussed the full part of Python program. In this program, I have discussed the full part of Python program. So start the guys. Has a sorry a program to print pattern. Okay. The next n equal to where is equal to int bracket input bracket single quotes how many rows, how many rows. Okay, then colon, then enter. For I in range, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, then out of the bracket colon enter. For j in range, okay, then 1 comma I plus 1, this colon. Okay, print print j comma and equal to single quotes then space, then enter. Print bracket, then see the output. What is the output? This how many rows? 5. 1. In this program you have just entered the 5. 1 1 repeated 5 times, 2 repeated 4 times, 3 repeated 3 times, 4 repeated 2 times, and 5 1. Okay, then see the output. Check your name is print or not. My name is Vishal. Okay, this print? No, this is not print because this is the only print numbers. Okay, I have seen this program with while loop. In while loop, how is work? Okay, n equal to int input next bracket single quotes how many lines. Okay, then next while n less than equal to 0 colon enter. X equal to single quotes into and print x. Okay, next n minus equal to 1. Okay, see the output. 5. No, why? Because I have not given the sign. Okay, then see the this output. 5. Why this is not work? Oh yes, more than. While n less than this, then see the output. 5. Okay, 100. This is okay. This is program is perfectly done. So thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe the my channel Python Academy and like and share and comments more and more. In next video I have present with next program. Thank you viewers. Thank you.